Hey guys, Christian here from Uncharted. We've got another great product to introduce to you guys. Today we're announcing the Triage Kit. It's an ultra-light first aid and gear repair kit. Our goal is to make people the heroes of their own story. That means equipping them with the right tools and the education they need to get through whatever comes their way. So here's the backstory. We went out and interviewed 100 experts in the outdoor industry. We wanted to understand what gear they loved, what gear they relied on, what things they were building for themselves. And over and over and over, one thing kept coming back. Everyone carried a personal emergency kit, but everybody was building their own. Nothing in the industry was checking the boxes for the guys that really knew what was important. So we set out to develop that.
So I'm Billy DeMung, 5-time Olympian in the sport of Nordic combined skiing and 2010 Olympic champion. So I had the pleasure of helping design the Triage Kit. And one of the things that I really love about this new product from Uncharted Supply, it fits right in my pocket. It's got everything I need to be safe in case I or somebody else gets hurt, and stuff to fix my gear to keep me going. And I think it's an amazing piece that I would recommend everybody carry when they're out in the wilderness.
So we've got the Triage Kit completely unpacked here. The goal was always to build something that you couldn't even tell you had on you because it was so lightweight. And for less than the weight of 4 AA batteries, this is a really extensive kit. So let me take you through everything inside of here. We've got 10 storm matches. We've got 6 1x3 Band-Aids. We have blister bandages. We've got 2x4-inch Band-Aids, 2 of them. We've got safety pins, aspirin packs, petroleum jelly, wound closure strips, flat pack duct tape, 22 gauge wire, and an emergency blanket. Honestly, there's so much you can do with just this kit. From patching yourself up to fixing gear, this is an amazing group of products that's gonna get you through just about anything. The real hero of this is the actual kit itself. The material itself is high tenacity 30D double ripstop nylon military surplus parachute fabric. What's that mean? It means it's super strong. It's not gonna poke a hole. It's not gonna fail on you. And while it's airtight, like you can see right now, there's a pocket of air in there, that will slowly go out. Why we didn't make it fully waterproof is because you don't want a bubble in your jacket taking up space. This thing will pack down and be as small as it possibly can to fit on your body and basically feel like it's not even there. We put reflective piping on this thing, so if it's in your bag, you can shine a flashlight in and find it quickly. And we tapered the edges so it can slide in and out of things really easy. Most kits today are just kind of a lump, and it's really hard to pack those into a small space. Not with this guy. Truly a beautiful piece of design that you're gonna love having on you, but also not even know it's there. So that's it, guys. This is the Triage Kit. 93 grams of basically everything you need in this beautiful package. It's gonna be with you on all your adventures. Get one for your kids, get one for your car, put one in your pocket on your next hike. You're not going to regret it. It's a great, great piece. Check it out today on our website. And as always, don't die.